Friends, here is a question. If sec A is equal to 2, where A is acute angle, and find the value of tan A. So here it is given that sec A that is equal to 2 and A is an acute angle and we have to find the value of tan A. So here what we will do first, we will take the square of both the sides. So we will get sec square A, which is equal to 2 square is 4. And sec square A we can write in terms of tan A, because we have to find the value of tan A, and therefore we will write sec square A in terms of tan A, and that is what 1 plus tan square A, that is sec square A. We know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and so which is equal to 4. Now take 1 to the other side, so it will become minus 1, so 4 minus 1, that will be 3, and therefore tan square A, that is equal to 3. We have to find the value of tan A, therefore what we will do, just take the square roots of both the sides and you will get the value of tan A. So if you take the square root of tan square A, it will be tan A, and that is equal to square root of 3 will be 3, and therefore tan A is equal to root of 3. Highlight your answer. Now friends, move to the second question. Here is the second question on the screen. For certain distribution, mode and median were found to be 1000 and 1250 respectively. Find the mean for this distribution using an empirical relation. Friends, it is given that the mode of the certain distribution is 1000 and the median is 1250. It means the mean is given to you, mode is given to you and median is given to you, and you are being asked to find the mean using the empirical relation. So you know what is empirical relation, you have studied, and we are just revising the topic. So here it is mode, which is equal to thrice of median minus twice of mean. This is the empirical formula. Remember, the questions are asked on this formula. Sometimes mean and median will be given to you and you will be asked to find the mode. Here there are three unknown quantities. One is mode, another is median, and third one is mean. Out of these three, any two will be given to you and you will be asked to find the third one. Sometimes in the fill in the blanks or multiple choice questions, the 3-4 formulas will be given to you and you will be asked to select the correct empirical formula. So here what is mode, just put the values, very simple. So mode is what, it is 1000. So 1000, that is equal to 3 into median. What is median? Median is 1250. So it is 1250 minus 2 twice multiplied by mean. That mean we have to find. So it will be as it is. Now here we will solve this equation to find the value of mean. So you will get it as twice of mean. I have taken mean to one side and take 1000 to the other side, and so it will be 3 into 1250, that is equal to 3750 minus this 1000. Now take 2 to this side because we have to find the mean. So mean is equal to what? 3750 minus 1000, that will be 2750 divided by 2. If you divide this by 2, you will get the value of mean, that is equal to 1375. So the mean that is asked to us is mean is equal to 1375. Highlight your answer so that your answer paper becomes examiner friendly. Now move to the next question. Friends, here is another question. Gayatri was making a mathematical model in which she placed 4 cubes, each of h 20 centimeter, one above another. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Gayatri was making a mathematical model and she placed 4 cubes, one above the other, first cube, second cube, third cube and fourth cube. And it is given that the edge of the cube is 20 centimeter, the edge of the cube is 20 centimeter. And since she has placed such 4 cubes on one above the other, then the height will increase. So this will be 20 centimeter, this will be 20 centimeter, this will be 20 centimeter and this will be 20 centimeter. This length will become same, that is 20 centimeter, and of course the breadth will also be 20 centimeter. And so length will be 20 centimeter, breadth will be 20 centimeter and height will be 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 80 centimeter. And we have to find the total surface area of the resulting cuboid, means of this cuboid we have to find the surface area, and that surface area is given by the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So which is equal to twice into bracket LB, that is 20 into 20, 20 into 20, that is length into breadth, plus breadth into height, that is 20 into 80, 20 into 80, plus h into h into L, that is height is 80 into length is 20. So here which is equal to 2 into bracket, this will be 400 plus 8 to the 16, so it will be 1600 plus 8 to the 16, it will be 1600. So which is equal to 2 into 1600 plus 4, that is 400, that is 2000, 2000, 3000 and 3600. So it will be 2 into 3600. So which is equal to 2 into 3600, that is 7200 square centimeter. And therefore the required surface area of the resulting cuboid, that will be 7200 square centimeter. Highlight your answer. Now move to the next question. So friends, here is a question. Find the value of k. Will the following system of equations has no solutions? 3k plus 1 into x plus 3y is equal to 2 into bracket k square plus 1 close the bracket into x plus into bracket k minus 2 close the bracket y is equal to 5. We have to find the value of k for which this equation will have no solution. And friends, we know that for no solution the condition is what? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. This is the condition for the no solution. What is A1? Here this is coefficient of x is A1 in the first equation. Coefficient of y is, that is B1. So this will be B1 and the constant term is C1. Here the coefficient of x in second term will be A2. This will be B2 and this constant term will be C2. And now we can find this ratio A1 upon A2. So A1 upon A2 will be what? It will be 3k plus 1 upon A2 is what? It is k square plus 1. K square plus 1. That is equal to B1 upon B2. B1 is what? It is 3 upon B2 is what? It is k minus 2. K minus 2. That is equal to, is not equal to C1 upon C2, the ratio of the constant terms, that is 2 upon 5. So it is 2 upon 5. Now here we get two equations from these first two terms, that is 3k plus 1 upon k square plus 1 is equal to 3 upon k minus 2, or we get this as the another equation, that is 3 upon k minus 2 is not equal to 2 upon 5. So friends, first of all we will solve this first equation, and so we will get it as cross multiply this, so it will be 3k plus 1, close the bracket, into another bracket it will be k minus 2 is equal to 3 into k square plus 1. Solve this. So multiply by 3k to both the terms in the another bracket, so it will be 3k into k, that will be 3k square, minus 3 2s are 6k, then multiply by 1 to both the terms, so it will be plus k, then minus 2 1s are 2, which is equal to multiply by 3 inside the bracket, so it will be 3k square plus 3. Now here this 3k square and this 3k square will get cancelled, and you will get 6 minus 6k plus k, that is minus 5k. Take 2 to the other side, it will become plus 2, so 3 plus 2, that is 5, and so 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, so k is equal to minus 1. So here friends, we have got the value of k as minus 1. Now we will solve this another equation. And friends, here the another equation is that 3 upon k minus 2 is not equal to 3 upon 5. Now we know that k is equal to minus 2, so put the value of k as k is equal to minus 1 here, and see whether it is not equal, both sides are not equal, so it will be 3, k is minus 1, so minus 1 minus 2 is not equal to 3 upon 5, and therefore it will be 3 upon minus 3. 3 upon minus 3 is not equal to 3 upon 5, so minus 1 is not equal to 3 upon 5, and hence it is satisfied, and therefore we can say that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, and therefore for k is equal to minus 1, the given equation has no solution. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.